Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So guys, firstly wish you all happy new year 2023. Keep learning, keep achieving goals. So guys, today's video is gonna be a very special video. In today's video we are gonna discuss about an chatbot, or else you can say an AI assistant, using which you can ask any queries related to tech or non-tech. It can answer you 80 to 90% accurately, and the left 10% it will make wrong. I'll show you all how to ask correctly the questions to ChatGPT, and even I'll show you all where that particular ChatGPT will make errors. So guys, now let's not waste our time. Let's dive into the topic. Before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, please consider subscribing the channel and keep supporting. So guys, now let's dive into our website. Just open a new tab and search for ChatGPT. As soon as you search for ChatGPT, you will get here the information. You can see here ChatGPT is launched by an openai on November 2022. openai is a very good company which launches machine learning models. You can see here this particular ChatGPT is tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. So now just let us click on this particular website. As soon as you click on this, you have got here the option to click try ChatGPT. Just click on that. Here you will get an option either to log in or sign up. I already have an account. I'll just show you all how to sign up, then I'll log into my account. Just click on sign up. You can enter your email ID and verify and continue, or else you can just directly click on continue with Google or Microsoft. I'll click on continue with Google and I'll just select any account. So here it is asking for your name. I'll just give just click on continue. As soon as you enter your name, you will get an option for mobile number. Just verify your mobile number and you will be into, let me just show you all. Click on try ChatGPT. I'll just log in and show you all. Continue. After you verify your mobile number, you will be into this particular page where you can personally ask any questions related to tech and non-tech. First, let me show you all the technical questions. For example, if you want to generate a Python code, you can just search for Python code for Fibonacci series. I guess there is some spelling mistake. Okay, search, and here you can see it is automatically generating the code. As soon as it generates the code here, and once it will even show you all the output also. As soon as it is done with the generating this particular code, you can see here this particular new chat will be changed to that particular name, Python Fibonacci series. You can either keep this particular chat and you can even delete also. It is of your choice. But guys, now let us see whether this particular code is working or not. Just copy this code. I'll go to my Google Colab. You can use any ID you like. Just paste and run. Boom, you can see here the output until 34. You can see here even it is showing you all the output till 34. And even it is showing the executing process also. You can even check out this and you can even read this. So this is the technical. Now let us see what ChatGPT can answer even in non-technical. For example, I'll just take a basic example like ingredients to prepare. This is famous, so we'll take this only. Enter. So you can see here it is just showing you all the output. You can ask anything to this particular chat. It will answer you maximum 80 to 90% accurately. So it is just generating the steps. You can just wait for its steps to complete. So this is for non-technical. You can ask anything related to your college, or else if you have any issues. when I was studying my college, present even I'm studying my college at the final year, but we were having one particular language called Visual Basic. That particular language is not available right now. So let us see whether ChatGPT can answer question for that. What is six point zero? So this is the version. This particular Visual Basic is not available right now, language. It is created by Microsoft and now it is integrated to your Microsoft Excel. You can just go to developer options in Microsoft Excel and you can see this particular Visual Basic. So this is not available right now, but my ChatGPT is able to answer the question related to that. So guys, this you can see, you can ask anything related to tech, it will answer. Now let us see how to overcome ChatGPT. Even ChatGPT will make errors when you try to ask it a tricky questions. Let us see about that, how to ask a tricky questions to ChatGPT. Yeah, let me create a new chat. So let me ask here a question like, actually I found this particular error in LinkedIn. One of a person in LinkedIn has uploaded the screenshot. So thanks for that person. Let me just type the same and see if, okay, let us see. I am six years old, okay, and my is half my age. She is now 16 years old. How old am I? Just enter. So it is saying that if your sister is, okay, so if your sister is now 16 years old and she is half of your age, then you are 16 into 2, that is equals to 32. Okay, half of your age means twice your age. Oh, that's answering correctly. Let us see once again. Let us type again and see about this. Let us try with the same question. Let the same question to be there. Let us continue the chat. I'll give now. Okay, so it's answering correctly. So guys, based on the errors and wrong answers, it is improving its model's accuracy. Normally machine learning model do the same, I guess. Based on the wrong answers, many people have suggested it. You can see here actually this particular post. So just I'll try to zoom in. So you can see here this particular post where that particular ChatGPT was answering wrong. You can see here, if your sister is 16 years old and she is half your age, it means that twice of her age, or 16 into 2, that is equals to 32. Means now you will be 32 years old, then 32 minus 6, that is equals to 26 years old. So it answered wrongly. Based on this wrong answers and the people's suggestions, maybe ChatGPT might have improved its model accuracy and its training by itself. It happens. But yeah guys, let us come to the final conclusion. You can use ChatGPT for your normal day-to-day uses, like if you want to get some code, or else if you want to complete your assignments, or if you have anything related to research, you can check it with the ChatGPT. But if there is any decision making problems, then I would suggest you all not to use ChatGPT, because it's just a chatbot. Decision making should be made by yourself. You have to think, and moreover, whatever the output you get, you have to verify it, because you cannot trust the bots directly, right? So guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you all. Bye bye. And once again, Happy New Year.